Hey everybody, so Leah asked about question 3 on worksheet 4E. So 4E I believe was factored form. Yep, 4E factored form. So question 3 under factored form, 4E. Okay, so let me just quickly go through it. It shouldn't take longer than a minute. Ethan kicked the ball from the ground, so we know it kicked from the ground, so we probably started right there. Okay. Here's the y-axis, here's the x-axis. It traveled a horizontal distance of 52 meters. So we can assume that this is the horizontal distance. Horizontal distance in meters. And this is height in meters. Okay. So now, starting at 0, 0, because Ethan kicked the ball from the ground, it traveled a horizontal distance of 52. So I'm going to assume that is 52. And a maximum height of 17. So to make things easy, we know that parabolas are symmetric. Okay? So if they're symmetric, that means it must cut down the middle, which means the vertex must also be down the middle. And has a maximum height of 17. So let's see. How should I split this to make it look nice? 17, let's say 2, 4, 6, let's go by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, let's go by 2s. So each block will be worth 2, so 8, 16. So that means 17 is roughly there. Okay. So here is the vertex roughly. What's half of 52? Because it traveled a horizontal distance of 52, but it, at the same time, reached a maximum height of 17 meters, which means the ball technically starts there, it goes up, 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 hits a maximum height of 17, then starts coming back down, and hits the ground, okay? Now parabolas, I'm sorry, let's try that again, 0, hits a maximum height of 17, comes back down, and technically parabolas go on forever, right? So it crosses at 0. Okay, so technically parabolas go on forever. It's crossing at 0, sorry, it's not exactly at 0, and this crosses at 52. And the vertex here would be, since this is 52, half of 52 must be 27, so the vertex here is 27, 17. Now what does this point mean? That this point means 27 meters along the ground, the height of the ball is at 17 meters high. Okay, that's all it means. So horizontal distance, we'll assume this is ground level, height in the sky. Okay, draw a sketch between the height and the horizontal distance, we just did that, and then determine an equation in factored form. So I'm just going to do it up here. In factored form, I know I'm going to have some a value. Factored form are my x-intercepts, right? So what are my x-intercepts? 0 is one of them. So it'll be x plus 0. And the other x-intercepts are 52. X minus 52. Okay? Now, this is technically the equation, but what we need to do is find the a value in order to find the full equation. So to do so, all I need to do is take a point, plug it in, and solve for a. Now, I answered this question before this one in regards to what point do I plug in to find a. Do I plug in the x-intercepts? Do I plug in the y-intercepts? Do I plug in the vertex? The rule of thumb is, if this is a factored form, which it is, that means it gives you your x-intercepts, which means you probably should not be plugging in your x-intercepts, but rather you should plug in any other point but your x-intercepts. So I am going to plug in my vertex. If you want more detail as to why that is, if you scroll up under math questions, I think Alicia asked that question, and I go into more depth as to why that is. Okay, so I'm going to plug in the vertex. So here's my x value, here's my y value. So my y value is 17. My x value is 27. So 27 plus 0, 27 minus 52. Okay, now what I'm going to do is solve for a. So you get 17 equals a, and then 27 plus 0 is just 27. 27 minus 52 is negative 27. Okay, now I just gotta multiply these together. I don't have a calculator on me, I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do is, I know I have to divide both sides by these two, right? So my a value is going to equal to 17 over whatever 27 times negative 27 is. Okay, and then you have it. So y would equal to whatever this equals to, our a value, and then our two x-intercepts, x plus 0, x minus 52. Okay, if that's not clear enough and you want me to go into more detail, because clearly I kind of threw that together, yeah, if you want more detail, let me know and I could record another video. Okay, thanks, bye.